Hello everyone, my name is Remy Zurita. I'm the owner-operator of Hopnonymous Brewing Company located in Kearney Mesa, San Diego. I use 3D printing tap handles as basically the base of my business. When I decided on moving on to the brewing business, I started on being only a distributor at first. That means that I was making the beers, Buena Foqueta beers, under their name. So that's what we call white label. And the 3D printing tap handle were just the cherry on the cake. On top of providing with delicious crafted locally beers, we were also providing with the marketized tool, which was the tap handles under their brand. Usually it's like the logo you will find everywhere in the restaurants. On the top of the restaurant, we just take that design to a tap handles in order to, let's say, to enhance the brand of my customers. We just push their brand by make it theirs.
Do your customers enjoy the tap handles?
They do. Actually, we kept that for a while just for us, and people have been asking over and over now about actually bringing it home, because a lot of my customers have kegerator or just to decorate the house, and since then we also sell the taps now.